came across Lee's book Goals to Gold, and from there it led me on to trading college. The best trading advice I've ever been given is to follow the trend, because from the trend then there are other strategies that come into play, like how to sink Porsches, and you can make substantial gains. Some doubt in my mind if whether I would be able to do this, and I've convinced myself by doing trading that I can actually do it. Well, I just follow certain strategies. I'm working at the moment on out of sinks and momentum triggers, and they're very profitable and they do work. No doubt 10. Anyone who is ever thinking of wanting some education, wanting to get into trading, I'd have no hesitation in pointing them to trading college. It's only good, and like I say, if anyone was ever thinking of coming into trading, honestly, if Paul Snape can do it, anyone can do it. It's the understanding of the teaching and following those strategies through that please you the most, because then it gives you the confidence to know that you can do this. Devote yourself to it. I think it'll take your life over anyway. Myself and wife nearly sold the television because we were so wrapped up in it. It just took our lives over. It really did.